turn my phone off.
Hi everybody, this is CR number 14, helper video number 2. It says solve 7m plus 11 minus 5m minus 2 equals 2m minus 9. Well, first of all, you guys have all worked with variables on both sides. But right now I'm looking at this left side because it looks like I can combine some like terms. I have m's here and I have m's here. Now, if you want to make columns and do m's and no's, you are more than welcome to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. If you're someone that just can put together like terms, then that is up to you. You can also do it that way. So I have a 7m, oh gee, sorry, it's not writing good, and a negative 5m. And for my no's, I have an 11 and a negative 2. Now remember, I can't put the other side onto the other side of the equal sign into my columns because they are on the other side of the equal sign. These terms here cannot go on the same side as the terms here. So 7m's minus 5m's are 2m's, and 11 minus 2 is 9. So notice this. Now I have 2m, oh gee, this is so sloppy, sorry about that, plus 9 equals 2m minus 9. Now we have not done this yet. This is something brand new that we're learning right after break. So what I'm going to do is I'm still going to get all my variables to one side. And I like to have my variables on the left. So I'm going to do that by drawing my ladder and then subtracting 2m on both sides. Now I want you to notice something when I do this. Something happens here. If I have 2m's and I subtract those 2m's, there's nothing left. It becomes 0. So on this side, I'm left with just 9. So I'm going to go ahead and bring that down. And then if I have 2m minus 2m, once again on this side, it's 0. So on this side, I'm left with a negative 9. Now I have this statement that says 9 equals negative 9. All of you should be saying to yourself, that is not true. 9 does not, I'm going to put a does not, equal negative 9. So if you end up with a statement like this, that is an untrue statement, that means this equation has no solution. And this is something we will be learning about after break. So remember, when you are left with an untrue statement, you have no solution. Good luck.